Hello, welcome to my last screencast, the Module 5 screencast discussing commonalities amongst the social oppression associated with homophobia, ableism, and religious bias. So the first commonality that I think is worth mentioning is in each case there is a lot of um, ignorance. And so whether it be like a we, they kind of concept, or as it says in the text, religious illiteracy, I think for each of these, there is some element of ignorance, societal ignorance, that needs to be addressed. And I want to refer to the TED Talk, to Wright's TED Talk. The 50 Shades of Gay TED Talk. Something that she mentioned and I really resonated with is visibility is key to overcoming, and familiarity can be the gateway drug to empathy. And so that really struck me, and I feel a profound pressure as an educator to implement that visibility in my classroom to make for more empathetic students and ultimately a more empathetic society. Um, so another commonality, in each case, people who are oppressed are often defined by what it is that makes them different, or what makes them diverse. But in fact, we know that these are just single facets of who people are, and they shouldn't be um, reduced to, or they shouldn't be like placed in a box, right? And it definitely shouldn't determine what they're capable of. And the last commonality that I want to discuss is in each case, there is a need for educators to be aware and also to work to create inclusive and safe, respectful, and accepting classroom environments, so that all students feel safe and as if they belong. And all students also, I feel like creating that kind of an environment will create positive habits in students who maybe don't identify as these, to kind of, like I said, be more empathetic, or more kind and more accepting. So a lot of pressure on educators, but very important. So those are the three commonalities.